Hello friends, welcome to Smart Shiksha. Today we are going to discuss about OSSC मॉक पार्ट 3. इस वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which is the project to clean the river Ganga started by Government of India? Which is the project to clean the river Ganga started by the Government of India? Option 1, Namami Ganga is the project to clean the river Ganga. Next question. Who is the chairperson of the Monetary Policy Committee of RBI? Who is the chairperson of the Monetary Policy Committee of RBI? Answer is option number 3, Reserve Bank Governor. Reserve Bank Governor is the chairperson of Monetary Policy Committee of RBI. रिजर्व बैंक गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास. शक्तिकांत दास. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ह्यूमन कैपिटल इंडेक्स इज पब्लिश्ड बाय. ह्यूमन कैपिटल इंडेक्स इज पब्लिश्ड बाय. आंसर इज वर्ल्ड बैंक. वर्ल्ड बैंक इज द राइट आंसर. ह्यूमन कैपिटल इंडेक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which image is on the back of 20 rupees note of Mahatma Gandhi new series? Which image is on the back of 20 rupees note of Mahatma Gandhi new series? Answer is option number 2, Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves is found in back of 20 rupee note. Back of 20 rupees note. Next question. Which of the following 5-year plan is also referred to as the Mahalanobis plan? Which of the following 5-year plan is also referred to as the Mahalanobis plan? Answer is second 5-year plan. Second 5-year plan is Mahalanobis plan. Next question. GDP is the total values of. GDP is the total values of. Answer is option number 1, all final goods and service. All final goods and service. GDP is the total value of all final goods and service. Next question. Economic growth is normally coupled with. Economic growth is normally coupled with. Answer is option number 2, inflation. Inflation is coupled with economic growth. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is related only to. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is related only to. Answer is card holder below poverty line and industrial workers. Both card holder below poverty line and industrial workers. So answer is all of these. All of these. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana belongs to card holder below poverty line and industrial workers. Next question. So answer is option number 3. Option number 3. Next question. Who estimates the national income data in India? Who estimates the national income data in India? Answer is option number 4. Central Statistical Organization. Central Statistical Organization is the right answer. Central Statistical Organization is the right answer. Estimates national income data in India. Next question. Agmark is related to. Agmark is related to. Answer is option number 3. Agricultural goods. Agricultural goods. Agmark is related to agricultural goods. Next question. Net national product at factor cost is. Net national product at factor cost is. Answer is equal to national income. Equal to national income. Net national product at factor cost is equal to net national income. Next question. Underdevelopment occurs when people. Underdevelopment occurs when people do not want to work, are working in lazy manner, are working less than what they are capable of doing. Option 4, are not paid for their work. Right answer is option number 3, are working less than what they are capable of doing. जितना काम कर सकते हैं उतना काम नहीं करेंगे तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट देखा देगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not a part of fiscal policy? Which of the following is not a part of fiscal policy? Answer is option number 2, interest rate. Interest rate is not a part of fiscal policy. Next question, excise duty is levied in which of the following? Excise duty is levied in which of the following? Answer is production of goods. Answer is production of goods. Excise duty is levied with. Next question, in India the planning commission was set up in year. In India planning commission was set up in year. Answer is 1950. 1950 is the right answer. Planning commission set in 1950. Next question, prime minister is, the prime minister is elected by Rajya Sabha, elected by the parliament, appointed by the chief justice of India, nominated by the party enjoying majority in Lok Sabha. Answer is option number 4, nominated by the party enjoying majority in Lok Sabha. Nominated by the party enjoying majority in Lok Sabha. Next question, the ratio of the width of national flag of India to its length is. The ratio of the width of the national flag of India to its length is. Answer is option number 3, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 ratio. Ratio of length and width. Width, length. Next question, president can nominate members in. President can nominate members in. Answer is option number 1, Rajya Sabha. President can nominate members in Rajya Sabha. Next question, the headquarters of ISRO is situated in which of the following cities? The headquarters of ISRO is situated in which of the following cities? Answer is option 2, Bengaluru. Option 2, Bengaluru, headquarters of ISRO. K. Sivan is the head of ISRO. Next question, the word secular was added by which amendment act? The word secular was added by which amendment act? Secular added in 42 Amendment Act. 42 Amendment Act. Next question, name of the 17th Lok Sabha Speaker is. Name of the 17th Lok Sabha Speaker is. Answer is Om Birla. Om Birla is the 17th Lok Sabha Speaker. Next question, what does Article 32 of Indian Constitution deals with? What does Article 32 of Indian Constitution deal with? Answer is option number 3, right to constitutional remedies. Option number 3, right to constitutional remedies. 32, Article 32. Next question, where is the headquarters of World Bank located? Where is the headquarters of World Bank located? Answer is Washington DC. Washington DC is the right answer, headquarters of World Bank. Next question, which part of the Constitution of India deals with the duties of citizen? Which part of Constitution of India deals with the duties of citizen? Answer is option number 1, part IVA. Part IVA deals with the duties of citizen. Duties of citizen. Part IVA. Next question. In which of the following states was the Panchayat Raj first introduced? In which of the following states was the Panchayat Raj first introduced? Panchayat Raj system first introduced in Rajasthan. Option 3, Rajasthan is the right answer. Panchayat Raj system, Rajasthan. Next question. The first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on. The first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on. Answer is 9th December 1946. 9th December 1946. First meeting of Constituent Assembly. First meeting of Constituent Assembly. Next question. Who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of parliament? Who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of parliament? Answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Speaker of Lok Sabha presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of parliament. Next question. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? Answer is option number 3, Paris. Option number 3, Paris. Headquarters of UNESCO located at Paris. Next question. The largest union territory of India. The largest union territory of India is, answer, Delhi. Option number 3, Delhi is the right answer. Largest union territory of India. Next question. Vice President of India addresses his resignation letter to whom? Vice President of India addresses his resignation letter to whom? Answer is option number 4, President of India. Answer is President of India. Option number 4, President of India is the right answer. Vice President of India addresses his resignation to President of India. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe.